Onions, eggs, and potatoes. It's hard to come up with a more classic combination, but don't jump to any conclusions. This isn't your regular recipe. We've prepared something interesting for you. Cut 1 red onion into half rings. The first step is done. Now, we put a frying pan on the fire and add a teaspoon of vegetable oil. Spread the onion, mix it to distribute it evenly over the surface. Fry for 4 or 5 minutes. The finished onion will become transparent and acquire a golden hue. The next most important ingredient is the potatoes, cut into small circles, 2 peeled and washed potatoes. The slices should not be too thick. Salt the onions. Once again, we mix them. It's reached the desired state. We put the onions to one side and free up some space in the pan. Now we need to fry the potatoes. We put them in the frying pan and now mix it in with the onions. Cook for another 3 or 4 minutes over medium heat. If you like meat, then you'll definitely like this next ingredient, breakfast sausage. We cut them into thin slices. Be careful with your fingers, this is a dangerous activity. Now chop up the sausages. As you probably already noticed, all the ingredients in our dish are quite finely cut. We transfer the sausages to the pan and mix everything well. The products should exchange tastes and smells. While they get acquainted, we'll deal with the chives. Why did I choose chives? It has the same taste as a garlic clove, but it's more soft. Plus, there's always a lot of vitamins and greens. We send the garlic to the pan with the rest of the ingredients. As you might have guessed, we mix it up. It looks beautiful, but we're not done. Just like in the beginning, I promised you this wasn't going to be ordinary. It's time to turn our dish into something unusual. To do this, we need 4 chicken eggs. Be sure to add salt and black pepper to them. The secret ingredient is grated Parmesan cheese. This is a great flavor enhancer. Use it whenever you want to please your taste receptors and your loved ones. Using a whisk, mix the eggs, spices, and cheese. Of course, you won't get an even mass, but the whites and the yolks should all be well combined. See what a sunny color it is? It looks very cheerful. Add our mixture to the vegetables. Shake the pan so that the liquid sinks to the bottom and fills in all the gaps. We don't want any empty spaces. Cover with a lid and leave on the stove for another 8 to 10 minutes. Now you can turn it over. We take a large plate and cover the frying pan. We return the casserole back, but this time on the other side. Sprinkle with herbs and remove from the heat. Now the dish is finally ready. Let's see what a slice is like. How tender! The knife literally sinks in. It looks like a fried potato pie, and I want to try a piece. Divine.